woke up, and that's my bed. This is my room. Let's look at more of the house.
To the beach so we can take this at the beach.
Look at this room. TV, dining room, dad, the kitchen, porch is out there, and yeah, we're doing good. World's tallest man at 8'11". Whoa! We're at Ripley's, believe it or not, by the way. Look at this band. It's the best band in the world. Awkward. A huge penny made out of actual pennies. Whoa! Traveling sounds. You don't believe me? Train. Where's Train? Nice to see you too. Mirror maze. Okay. Oh my God, this is so hard.
Let's go.
Ah, there's the light. Ah. Mirror maze was awesome, right?
We just got back from the movie theater.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.